Another part of the value of a conversation is not only telling the story, but is also listening to other stories and their experiences. And sometimes the art of listening is where we learn the most critical piece of what we need to know. It isn't always from what we are telling people, it's the question that we ask someone else and say, tell me how you would react to what's happening here in Northeast Ohio. And they'll tell you. And a lot of times they'll say, are you asking me what I would do to change things? And you say, yeah, I am. What do you think would be needed? And it's amazing how often people are spot on. And this can be somebody that you've met at a bus stop. It can be somebody that is your next door neighbor, or it can be a friend who comes to sit at your kitchen table and have a conversation about the state of the world. I've always told my daughters and anyone else's daughters or sons that I talk to is that listen to the stories that older people have to tell of how they lived or what they did. And I mean, everybody has that person who said, well, I walked 3 miles to school. But get beyond that, oh, here he goes again, and hear what they have to say, and you've learned something that you can take and use, and it becomes your knowledge base that you can help others move forward with.